everyone! My name is Liz. Welcome to my channel. Ngayong gabi, meron na naman tayong pag-uusapan na panibago na naman skincare na ginagamit ko. Yeah, it's really good and I enjoy this product. Yeah, guys, ito yung facial steamer. Ito yan. Ito yung box. Yeah. That one. So, pang-steam ng face. Kailangan i-steam natin yung face natin. Ngayon ko lang nalaman din na kailangan pala nag-steam tayo ng face kasi mas nakakatulong na ma-absorb ng skin natin yung mga treatment na ginagamit natin sa skin natin. Really good after using this one. Yeah, ito yung machine, guys. Yan. Very simple and very easy to use. Lalagyan mo lang ng water dito. So, kailangan na gagamitin na water is distilled water. Hindi pwede yung water na galing sa tap. Yeah, hindi pwede yun. So, kailangan ito. Hindi rin pwede yung mga mineral water. So, basta distilled water lang nilang ang kailangan ilagay natin. So, dito meron niyang yan. Yan, na-open yan. Then, lalagyan ng water. So, ang ilalagay mo lang ng water dito is yung just enough lang for that time na mag-steam tayo. So, konti lang. And then, close mo ulit and then plug it in. Yan. Pag na-plug in mo na, mag-steam na yan. Ang sarap, guys, ng feeling. Sobrang relax na relax ako. And I really feel na yung skin ko is malaki yung pinagbago. Ngayon ko lang nalaman din na mas maganda pala kung nag-i-steam tayo ng skin natin, ng face natin, lalo na sa face natin. Kung nag-i-steam tayo is mas malaking tulong na ma-absorb ng skin natin yung mga skincare na ginagamit natin. Especially kung meron tayong ginagawang treatment sa skin natin, kailangan natin na ma-steam yung ating face, ang ating skin, bago natin apply yung mga treatments na ginagawa natin. So, kaya pala, pag pupunta ako sa mga spa, diba? Pagpunta tayo sa mga skin spa, ginagamitan nila tayo ng steamer. Yeah, yung malaking gano'n, diba? So, itatapat doon yung face natin and ang sarap ng feeling, diba? Nakaka-relax. Yeah, so, ito din yon. Portable talaga, pang bahay lang talaga. Yeah, pang sarili. So, personal, magagamit mo everyday. Pwede mo gamitin everyday kasi everyday nag-skincare tayo. So, before we put our skincare on our skin, so we should use this one. And it's really highly recommended for all types of skin. Yeah, and it opens pores. Yeah, nabubuksan yung ating pores. Then, pag nag-open yung pores natin, ma-absorb na ng skin natin yung treatment na ginagamit natin o yung mga skincare na ginagamit natin. So, it's so very convenient and comfortable na gamitin, guys. Na gamit ko na to in 2 weeks and napansin ko talaga ang laki ng pinagbago, mas maganda ang result. Yeah, and sinasabi dito, andito sa box, so it exfoliates also skin and also, yeah, basahin ko, guys. So, this one cleanses pores, exfoliates, and hydrates skin. So, yun ang ginagawa niya. Opens pores to allow the skin to absorb other skincare treatments. Yeah. Yun ang ginagawa niya, guys. So, nakakatuwa and enjoy talaga ako sa paggamit ko nito. So, every night before I put on my skincare, ginagamit ko to, guys. So, sa mga gusto na mas maganda yung result ng paggamit natin ng skincare, I recommend this one to get one because this is really good and easy to use. And besides, it helps a lot to improve our skin. Yeah, when you are using skincare and the pores are not open, so it's hard for our skin to absorb all the treatments or the skincare that we are using. And I love this one. I really enjoyed it. I had no idea about this before. Actually, until I found out that there were people posting on Facebook and in any platform. And then I have seen this one and I have been watching videos and also reviews, and then I found out that this is really good for the skin. And at first I used one product and then it feels like no changes, no improvements. So I had to change again, change. Now, I found this one and I really enjoy this facial steamer. And I love it. I really enjoy it. When you travel, you can bring this one as well. You can put this one in your bag and then use it anywhere you go. It's so convenient and easy. Yeah guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next vlog. I love you all. Good night.